Hello my dear students, how are you all? We'll continue with the literature work. As you are aware, we have finished with the reading and we have also done the discussion of word meanings of chapter 5, Hector Hummingbird. So we are going to continue with the back exercise of that chapter, okay? So I'm here on page number 49 and we are going to start with word by word. Alright? So the first heading is synonyms. We have discussed these synonyms in the grammar book also, and in the first term also this topic was there. So the words having the similar meanings, जिनके meaning same होते हैं, ठीक है? Spellings and pronunciation is different but the meaning is same, ठीक है? So see, let's see the examples which are given. Hector flitted over to where Oliver Owl was sleeping. Here the highlighted word is flitted. The servants darted here and there and everywhere. So these two words, see spellings अलग हैं, इनकी pronunciation भी अलग है, but they have the same meaning, ठीक है? इधर उधर move होना very quickly. So these are called synonyms, the words having the same meaning. So let's complete this exercise. Complete these sentences with the correct synonyms of the highlighted words. Choose from the given box. ये box में few words are given and we have to fill, ठीक है? With one highlighted word is already there. Another similar word we are supposed to complete. So see, the words are breakable, frightened, gorgeous, ill-tempered, puzzled, quite, terrible, thoughtful. So first sentence, the lost child looked terrified and extremely frightened. We are aware दोनों का means होता है डरे हुए होना, ठीक है जी? जो बच्चा गुम गया था वो बहुत ही डरा हुआ दिख रहा था. The confused man gave us a dash look, puzzled. Okay, confused and puzzled का meaning होता है confused हो जाना, ठीक है? The beautiful girl was wearing a gorgeous dress. Beautiful and gorgeous, सुंदर, ठीक है? This picnic spot is quiet and peaceful. शांत, ठीक है? These two words are similar words. Mother Teresa was a very kind and thoughtful person. Okay, so here the similar words are kind, thoughtful. Next, I had a very bad dream in which I saw a terrible monster. ठीक है? Bad and terrible, बहुत बुरा. मुझे बहुत बुरा सपना आया जिसमें मैंने एक बहुत ही terrible monster को देखा, बहुत ही बुरे monster को देखा. He is ill-tempered because he is often in an angry mood. So ill-tempered and angry, गुस्से वाला. Keep all the glasses and dash things in the box labeled fragile. Okay, so breakable and fragile, these two words जो चीज़ आसानी से टूट सकती है, ठीक है? टूटने वाली चीज़. Now turn your pages. Okay, so grammar guide. The first topic which is there under this heading, sorry ऊपर रह गया, look it up. Match the birds with the sounds they make. ठीक है? We just have to match the birds with the sounds they made. I have already done this, so you just see this. Owl, क्या sound होती है owl की? Owl, hoot. Pigeon, what is the sound of crow? Pigeon की sound होती है, okay? See, lark, sing, singing bird होता है ये. Duck, we are aware, quack. Eagle, scream, ठीक है? Next is the grammar guide, ठीक है? I missed it by mistake. Grammar guide, आपको पता ही है, this type of exercises will come in language assessment test, okay? So grammar guide using capital letters, where in this exercise we'll be learning about where to put the capital letters, okay? So let's discuss it from the book once. You have learned that all the sentences begin with capital letters. All proper nouns also begin with capital letters, ठीक है? So two main rules we are going to do this. We are going to cover in this exercise. First is all the sentences should begin with capital letter, and wherever you find the proper noun. I hope the proper noun is clear to all. ठीक है? So that first letter should be capital. ठीक है? So here the rules are given. Names of people and places. ठीक है? Raghav, Rome, any name of a place, people, it should be first letter should be capital. कहीं भी आ सकते हैं वो sentence के. Next page. These all are the basic rules. We are learning these rules since class 1. ठीक है. Still I'll give you one recap. Names of countries, किसी भी country का name आ गया है, that should be capital. Also the nationalities should be capital. First letter should be capital. Okay, then names of mountains, rivers, oceans, etc. First letter has to be capital. Companies का name जहाँ पे आ जाए, any company, first letter should be capital. मेन वर्ड्स इन द नेम्स ऑफ अ बुक. ठीक है, बुक के जो मेन वर्ड्स होते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर और मैगजीन्स, ये सारे भी फर्स्ट लेटर शुड बी कैपिटल. ओके. वीकडेज, जो मंथ्स होते हैं ईयर के, फेस्टिवल्स एक्सेट्रा, दे शुड ऑल्सो बी फर्स्ट लेटर ओनली शुड बी कैपिटल. ओके. The word I is always written as a capital letter even if it does not begin a sentence. ठीक है, I चाहे कहीं पे भी आ जाए sentence में, it should be capital always. ठीक है. My sister and I will decorate the house. So I is here in between. So this is what? This is capital. ठीक है. So you are supposed to follow these rules while solving this exercise. So let's discuss this exercise. Rewrite these sentences using capital letters wherever needed. So the first one. I'll send you the solution of all these exercises also. So you see the first sentence. I'll send all the invitations by tomorrow. Now इसमें कोई proper noun नहीं है, किसी country का name, किसी place का name कुछ नहीं है. Only I should be capital. ठीक है. Second, Granny will visit us this Diwali. Now here Granny, G should be capital, first letter है, and then D should be capital, name of festival. Okay. Next. Justin cooks delicious Chinese food. Justin is a name, J should be capital. Chinese is a dish का name है, proper है तो C should be capital. Lakhs of pilgrims go to Varanasi every year. So here L and V should be capital. Place name है और ये first word है हमारे sentence का. E part. I really enjoyed the film Many Poppins. It's a movie name. Sorry, Mary. M should be capital, P should be capital, and I is the first letter of the sentence, so it has to be capital. Last, may I borrow the Jungle Book, please? So here, may, M, I, T, the first letter of the word. The first letter of each word in this book name. T should be capital. Here, J should be capital, and then B should be capital. Okay. So may I borrow the Jungle Book, please? All right. Now the next is I'm going to show you few words for the make sentences. You are supposed to frame the sentences of these words. ठीक है, इसी चैप्टर के हैं ये, चैप्टर 5 के. फॉरेस्ट, जंगल, पिकनिक, रॉयल, सर्वेंट एंड वाइन. ठीक है, इन 5 words के you are supposed to frame the sentences in your English literature notebook. Okay. Rest of the work will continue in the next video. Thank you children. Have a nice day.